Hi, I'm Rob from Ideal Heating. Today I'm going to show you how to repair the Halo thermostat to the smart interface and smart wiring centre. To repair the Halo, hold the middle button and the right hand menu button until the screen shows the word Halo. Once the screen has gone blank, the Halo will return back to its original screen. Now the Halo is ready to be repaired to the smart interface and smart wiring centre. For more information on how to repair the Halo to the smart interface and smart wiring centre, please watch our videos Single Zone or Two Zone pairing for the Halo on your Ideal boiler.